Craving some wings? Well, let me show you how to make the most addictive lemon pepper wings. These are way better than Wingstop, okay? Let's get into it. To get started, we're going to pat dry our wings. Now, when you pat dry your wings, that will help it get nice and crispy so it's not boiling, okay? Make sure you remove most of the moisture. That's why we take our time to kind of pat it dry. We want it nice and crispy. Perfect. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil to the wings. Mix it together. Make sure every part of it has the oil, okay? And then we're going to season it. Now for the seasoning, I'll leave it below in the description box. I have a little bit of everything: onion and garlic powder, ground black pepper, chili powder, paprika, a little bit of lemon pepper, parsley, salt, all of that good stuff in here, okay? Just gonna mix it. And you see how I mixed the seasoning before I add it on there? That way we don't have the garlic powder on one side only or just on the top. That's why we mix the seasoning. These are going to be extremely flavorful, as you can see, nicely and well seasoned. Now we're not done yet. We're going to add some cornstarch. That way we can keep this nice and crispy and crunchy because it's going in the air fryer, okay? You can fry these if you like, but you know, the air fryer is the healthier way to make. Obviously, it doesn't hit the same. Sometimes you do want the little greasy flavor in there, but you know, healthy. Let's pour that in there. And there you go. You have your wings nicely seasoned, ready to go in the air fryer. All right, now I have my Thai fur air fryer. We're going to add the wings right in there. Now I'm just gonna place them right in here. Give them some space so they can get nice and crispy so they're not sitting on top of each other, okay? This air fryer, I talk about it a lot. If you would like to, you know more about it, I'll link it below for you guys. Now I'm going to close it. Now this air fryer has a wing preset. We're going to press that. It's gonna go for 14 minutes on 380. Then we're going to flip it over and then let it go for another 14 to 20 minutes. You know, I like it crispy, okay? There you go. All right, guys, my wings are done. Listen, y'all see me make wings here several times. So I let it go for about 35 minutes until they look like this. Y'all see it? Crispy, crunchy, and delicious. Now let's make the sauce. The sauce is where it's at, okay? This sauce is crazy. Let me show you how to make it. So we're going in with about 3 tablespoons of butter, unsalted. Keep that in mind. You don't want to make it salty now. I have about 3 cloves of garlic going in. Going to give that a stir until it's started to fragrance a little bit. Now we're going in with some hot sauce. Yeah, trust the process. I'm telling you, this is very different, but yet so good. We got our lemon pepper with a little bit of that seasoning we were using earlier. Woo! Mix that up. I'm going in with some lemon zest. Oh, it smells so good. That lemony flavor, smell, amazing. Now we're going to slice that lemon. Going to pour that juice right in. Squeeze it in. Make sure there's no seeds, okay? If you have any seeds in here, it's gonna make it bitter. So keep that in mind too. These are seedless. So just squeeze 1 juice of a lemon in there. Let's turn that on. You don't want to burn your garlic, so I turn off my fire. Now, Go ahead, add yourself about 2 tablespoons of pure honey. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Give that a quick mix. Add some parsley in there, a little bit, not too much. Give that a taste to see. Actually, let's add a little bit more honey, kind of balance it. Give it a mix. Turn off your stove at this point. Your sauce is done. Do you see this? I'm telling you, this is dangerous, okay? Give it a taste. All right, I have myself a bowl. I'm going to transfer the wings in here. You'll hear that crispiness. Ooh, can y'all hear the sound? All right, once we're done, we're going to grab our delicious sauce. Just going to drizzle that all over the wings. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't think you ever tried a lemon pepper this good before. Lemon pepper sauce, to be exact. This good before. Ooh, smells so citrusy. Now, give it a nice toss. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. And you all done? Let's plate this. Looking so good, y'all. So good. Listen, I don't think you've ever tasted any wings like this before. If you have, let me know. And also let me know what type of fries would you pair with these wings. My personal favorite is sweet potato fries, but let me know down below. Truffle fries, regular fries. What type of fries would you eat with these delicious wings? Let's give it a try. Ready? If you're looking to level up your wings recipe, try this. Add this. Okay, it will be on rotation, I promise you. So easy, so different. Very, very, very delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to comment down below what type of fries would you try with these. The ingredients will be in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and also thumbs up. Thumbs up if you love this recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, you guys.